how you create a duet. You create duets because sometimes you see somebody that is, creating something that's either really funny or something that you want to react to. This is how you do that. Is my client. And when you're creating duet, the first thing you want to do when you find the video, you want to click on share. And when you click on share, you want to look at the bottom of the screen. You will see duet, and you click on it. And as you can see right now, I'm seeing this gorgeous lady on my right hand side and I am on the left hand side. So to create the duet, I can just start recording. And by the way, you can actually have different frames for the duet as well. It could be green screen. The duet could be side by side. It could be me reacting to her. Right now, she's on top of my head. Or she could be on top like that and I could be at the bottom. So it's up to you the way you want to create the duet. Now, as soon as I start recording, her video starts playing. So I'm just like, so I can just react to her video like, yes. And when you're done, you click the check button, you press next, and you can write your text and anything else that you want to write. And that's how you create duets.